Okay, so we have newly confirmed prices on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Stay tuned, because this is going to shock you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Michael here with Flyzone Drones. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the new confirmed prices on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This shocked me once I first saw it. And I'm going to be sharing this all with you guys. Now, as you know, everyone's been talking about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. We've received a ton of leaked pictures on the Mini 3 Pro, and they do look really nice. But a lot of people were wondering, what is the controller going to look like? Not the RC Pro smart controller that comes with the full Pro package, but everyone is wondering on how the standard controller will look like, and we were all wondering ourselves. So did find out, got some news on this, and we will be showing you what the standard controller will look like. So let's jump into the first pricing on the Mini 3 Pro. So as you see, we have here the standard version of the Mini 3 Pro, and the Mini 3 Pro will not come with the standard, will not come with this controller at this price. As you see, the price here is at $739, and it will not come with a controller, because if you do have a controller from the Mini 2 or the Air 2S or the Mavic Air 2, this is the same controller that they'll be using, the N1 controller, at this price. So you will just get the drone and the battery, one battery, with this price bracket right here. Okay, now if you're looking on getting one with a controller and you don't have a drone, and this will be your first drone, and you want to get the controller, obviously you need the controller. The standard Mini Pro with the controller and with the battery and the drone, this is the price that you will be getting for this one with the N1 controller. Okay, now I truly believe that these prices are absolutely amazing. I was really shocked when I saw the prices. These prices are absolutely shocking to me, and I'm sure they're shocking to you. These are great prices. It will be the DJI Mini 3 Pro. They aren't two versions. There ain't gonna be no standard Mini 3. It's just gonna be the Mini 3 Pro. That is what's coming. That's only one version of it. So you'll be getting the Mini 3 Pro standard without the controller. That's number one. Number two, you'll be getting the Mini 3 Pro with the controller and one battery and a drone. Then you'll be getting the Mini 3 Pro with the smart controller, the RC Pro controller, with one battery and a drone. And then you will be getting the Fly More. And as you can see, the Fly More will be adding at 187, 189 euros. Now these are all in European prices, in euro, and this is the prices that we see. Thanks to Jasper Ellen from Twitter. You know, he released these at 27 leaks. That's his Twitter page. I will put the link down in the description below. But this is exciting news, and you know, hopefully this was helpful to all you guys. Now, you see that it is here in this picture. We do have the Mini 3 Pro on a scale here, and they're weighing it, and it looks like it's at 245. I don't know if that's with the battery or not, but that's what I'm seeing here, and I'm sharing this with you guys. So yeah, good news so far that we got this morning, and yeah, very exciting news. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be more happy to help you guys out. And now remember, these are the leaks that have been put out this morning. This is what I see, and this is what I'm giving to you. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, and it's very informative to you, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more upcoming content and news, and we'll see you in the next one. Fly safe, fly smart. Bye bye now.